Naval Welcome to Naval Java Programming. Topic is Basic and Fundamentals of Java Part 2. Why we can't see the execution code in Java. In Java, execution code is highly dynamic and it will not be maintained once execution will complete it. That means once execution will complete it, execution code will be deleted from the RAM. Execution code of any function would be generated dynamically when function call is made. That means before function call is made, execution code is not generated. Execution code will generated only when function call is made and would be maintained as long as function or program is under execution. When function or program finish its execution, then it will automatically erased from RAM. How Java is independent when JVM is dependent. Since the compiled code of Java program, white code, could be executed on any machine, irrespective to OS under which it working. That means the white code is independent of operating system. White code of Windows operating system can be run on a Unix operating system, and JVM of Windows operating system cannot run on Unix operating system. That means Java is independent or white code is independent and the JVM is dependent. JVM varies operating system to operating system. That means JVM changes from operating system to operating system. And next topic is OOPS. OOPS concept are rules that supposed to be satisfied by the programming language as object-oriented programming language. OOPS concept are encapsulation. Encapsulation means winding up or wrapping up the data and functionalities. The second one is polymorphism, more than one form, and inheritance. Inheritance means inherit the property of superclass. Why we need encapsulation? Need of encapsulation. Any program of any programming language contain only two parts, data and logic. If data corrupted, it will not be recovered. But if logic will be lost or corrupted, then it could be rewritten in better way. We can rewrite the same logic in better way. So data is most important and it should be protected. To protect or to provide the security for the data of an application or reduce the complexity level of the programming language. The thought of encapsulation came to the people. That means in procedural language like C, to protect data, there are so many functionalities we have to use. That means that increases the complexity level of program. So encapsulation is the method that wrap or binds the data and functionalities together and make available to its class or its object and make available to its object. That means unauthorized person cannot access that data. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation, the concept of binding and wrapping the data along with its corresponding and related functionalities. It's called as encapsulation. Binding means making something available to its related area. What is class? A class is a user-defined data type. It is a structure representing the data and its related functionalities. Encapsulation followed by the class. That means class holds data and functionalities or grabs those and keeps secret from other unauthorized access. What is structure? The group of related elements is known as structure. It would act as the base of user-defined data type in the programming language. JDK. What is JDK? Java Development Toolkit. It's nothing but a collection of programs which are required for developing a Java application. Compiling and debugging and executing a Java application. JDK also contains the basic and fundamental libraries that are required for developing the Java application in general. That means JDK is a toolkit that contains some libraries and that make the user or the clients to develop, compile and debug, also executing the application of Java. What is JRE? JRE means Java Runtime Engine or Environment. Sometimes it is called engine and some people it is called environment. JVM along with the required Java libraries is known as JRE. Java Virtual Machine along with the required Java libraries is known as Java Runtime Environment. The client needs JRE to executing the development of the developed Java application. That means when client is developed application and want to execute it, they need JRE. Why we need object? Object is an instance of the class. In order to allocate memory space for the member of the class dynamically at the runtime and load all the members of the class from the white code to the RAM at the runtime and make the member of the class available to the program which is under execution. We need the concept of object. That means object provides more security of our data or functionalities. That means objects helps program object helps programmers to allocate memory. At the time of memory allocation, object is needed, and memory allocation which differ from object to object. Please subscribe it on YouTube and like it also for more detailed content here. And we will provide more videos after one day. Thank you for watching.